and welcome to Level Up IAS and welcome back to 10 Minute Series. Today we're going to start another important topic of modern history, that is Governor Generals and Viceroys and important events that occurred during their tenure. So let's begin. Warren Hastings 1773 to 1785. He was the first Governor General of Bengal. He put an end to the dual system of administration set up by Clive. Regulating Act of 1773 provided for the setting up of a Supreme Court at Calcutta. Pitt's India Act of 1784. Calcutta Madrasa was set up in 1781 for the study and learning of Persian and Arabic. Asiatic Society of Bengal in 1784 was established. First English translation of Bhagavad Gita was done. First Anglo-Maratha War and Treaty of Salbai in 1782. Lord Cornwallis 1786 to 1793. Establishment of appellate courts and lower grade courts. He brought Cornwallis Code in 1793 by incorporating several judicial reforms and separation of revenue administration and civil jurisdiction. Establishment of Sanskrit College in 1791 by Jonathan Duncan. Third Anglo-Mysore War and Treaty of Seringamapatnam in 1792. Introduction of permanent settlement in 1793. Lord Wellesley 1798 to 1805. Introduction of subsidiary alliance system in 1798. Fourth Anglo-Mysore War and the Treaty of Bassein in 1802. Second Anglo-Maratha War in 1803 to 1805. Establishment of Madras Presidency. Established Fort William College at Calcutta in 1800 to train British officials. British officials were taught Indian languages and the culture of people of India for better administration over them. Lord Hastings 1813 to 1823. The policy of non-intervention came to an end. Third Anglo-Maratha War in 1817 to 1819 and the dissolution of Maratha Confederacy and hence the abolition of Peshwaship. Establishment of Ryotwari system in Madras by Thomas Munro and Bombay. Mahalwari system in northwestern provinces. Lord Amherst 1823 to 1828. First Burmese War from 1824 to 1826. In 1827, he met Akbar II on a footing of equality and not as the servant of the emperor. Lord William Bentinck 1828 to 1835. First Governor General of India. Charter Act of 1833 made Governor General of Bengal as Governor General of India. Abolition of Sati in 1829. Suppression of Thuggi in 1830, infanticide and child sacrifices. English Education Act of 1835 was introduced. Medical College and Hospital at Calcutta was established. Lord Dalhousie 1848 to 1856. He introduced doctrine of lapse and Anak Satara in 1848, Jadpur and Sambhalpur in 1849 and Jhansi in 1853. Charles Wood Dispatch in 1854 was an educational dispatch resulting into opening of Anglo vernacular schools, and Bombay, Madras and Calcutta universities was set up in 1857 under the Charles Wood Dispatch of 1854. Post Office Act of 1854 was introduced. First railway line connecting Bombay and Thane in 1853. Established Engineering College in Roorkee. Widow Remarriage Act 1856 was introduced. This is the summary for you to revise. Now let us look at some of the past year questions. This question was asked in 2020. Wellesley established the Fort William College at Calcutta because he was asked by the Board of Directors at London to do so. He wanted to revive interest in Oriental learning in India. He wanted to provide William Carey and his associates with employment. He wanted to train British civilians for administrative purposes in India. Point D is the correct answer, as we just saw in the slide before. Let us look at another question. With reference to educational institutions during colonial rule in India, consider the following pairs: Sanskrit College at Banaras by William Jones, Calcutta Madrasa by Warren Hastings, Fort William College by Arthur Wellesley. Which of the pairs given above is or are correct? See, Sanskrit College at Banaras was established by Jonathan Duncan and not by William Jones. So one is incorrect. Calcutta Madrasa was established by Warren Hastings. This is correct. Fort William College was established by Lord Wellesley and not Arthur Wellesley. So this is incorrect. So only statement 2 is correct. So B is the correct answer. I have given you one question for you to practice. Give your answer to this question in the comment section below and do subscribe and like the channel. Thank you.